3 a.m. Can't really sleep, so we're getting a car wash. We're getting some tacos, man. Late night tacos. She's sounding pretty good right now. She's sounding pretty nice. This is the only car wash I found in like a 10-mile radius here that is touchless. Or it doesn't even say touchless, it says brushless. So you know what? We'll see. $14, huh? Oh, there's no way, man. The super wash.
Please take your tokens for use in the vacuums. Thank you for using it. Please proceed into the wash.
Washing underneath my car, it's fun. Nice. Is this the colorful stuff? This is my favorite part. Hey. See how it looks. It's pretty chill. That dryer sucks though. It's like this thing didn't get dried at all, dude. Is it raining? No way it's raining right now, dude. That is unbelievable. It's a waste of $14. Oh, I forgot to rub down the back cameras. Oh yeah. Maybe I should go there. Oh, so one way? What? Thank God it's 3 a.m. Bruh. How the... What is that little tiny median right there, bro? I bet you people run that over all the time. It's crazy. Adult night. What is that? I'm confused as to where I'm supposed to fuck it. Oh, it's in the gas station. Wait, this is kind of lit. It's either about to ruin my life or be the best tacos ever. 2 asada tacos. Damn, bro just closed the window on them. By the way, they're definitely not Mexican back there, which kind of makes me skeptical, but we'll be all right. Next stop is some gas. A little obnoxious. I always forget what side my dot's on the left. How did I miss 2 in a row? Oh, no salsa is absolutely absurd. Oh, wait, these don't look that bad. Oh shit, didn't mean to put that much. Let's hope it's good. Yes, I did pick flour over corn tortillas, alright, that's my bad. That's legitimately so much better than I thought it was gonna be. I'm impressed. I'm giving it like an 8.3. Hey, I would definitely eat that again. It's actually like 10 to 15 cents cheaper than any other gas station around here. So like, what's up with that? Is this bad fuel? Is my car about to explode? Is that the greatest state in the union right there? I think it is. Hey, thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Much more content coming with both the cars, and might just so happen to be getting a cheaper daily 3rd car soon. That's gonna be really fun. Fingers crossed for that. Don't want to speak to it. Don't want to count the chickens before they hatch, but I love y'all. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Well, you waited to the end. I know you wanted a little. Yeah.